Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you unwrap this package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This door shelf is located at the top of the right refrigerator door. It's used for storing dairy produce on the door. The main reason to replace the refrigerator door shelf is if it's broken and the produce won't stay on the shelf or the shelf itself won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side door. To remove this refrigerator door shelf, we need to push it up and then we can take it out. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new refrigerator door shelf, we need to slide it in all the way that it'll hit the back of the door here and then push it down. It will lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.